Hello guys, I really like my Sapphire Pro printer, but I don't like those two coolers, original coolers. I change those two. This is from Creality. It works much better. It seems like they blow much more air. And now I redesigned my filament cooling ducts, those two, link below, so you can download. Like you see, works really great. Air blows, wow, it's really nice now. I get a lot of air that's coming out from these ducts, so I really recommend to change those two coolers and print new filament cooling ducts. I hope you like this short video. Enjoy, subscribe, and happy 3D printing!